Hi guys, we're here. I'm actually filming on my phone because I forgot my camera, but we're about to cook. We're gonna make, there's Spencer, we're gonna make paninis, there's Deku. We're gonna make paninis and I thought I would show you guys what we do. So here's a little cooking video for you guys. Okay guys, so I have tomatoes, spinach that we are going to wash. But here are the ingredients. I have some Black Forest turkey breast ham. We got some Stater Brothers hickory smoked bacon. We are going to be using the sourdough bread. We have some potatoes over here because we are going to be making fries. So there's that. We are going to be using mayonnaise, which let me grab actually. We have some cheese. We're going to be using pickles and mayonnaise, and we have chipotle sauce as well. So that's what we're gonna be using. Deku, please get off. Deku, can't be on the counter. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by washing these.
Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah. You close to me, feeling good, I believe. I gotta have you in my life. You got that good vibe. I want to spend.
Okay, so now we're just gonna cut some tomatoes here.
I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back in
Okay, with the spinach, we're just gonna cut off the ends here.
time. I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, put some of these potatoes in this water. We're gonna let it sit in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. It bakes a lot better that way because sometimes potatoes take a really long time to bake. So this actually helps, and then we're gonna season them afterwards, and then that's gonna be our fries. Next up is bacon. We're just gonna go ahead and cook it.
Time I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you.
So we just added garlic salt and olive oil. Now Spencer's just seasoning the fries. We just put oil on the pan, and now we're just gonna go ahead and put these in the oven for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and check on them, and if they need extra time, we're just going to go ahead and add more time. The ovens are, where did we put the oven at this?
400.
400, yeah, the oven's at 400. So we're gonna pop those in, and then I'm still working on the bacon. Then I'm probably just gonna sit down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start the paninis as soon as the fries are ready. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off by putting mayonnaise on each side of the bread. So I'm putting it on the side that's gonna go on the grill. So once that's been done, what we're gonna do is we are gonna go ahead, and you can pretty much add anything you'd like. I'm gonna add chipotle sauce to this one because this one's for Spencer. To one side over here. Okay, so we're only gonna do one side because Spencer only likes one side. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna add some ham here. I add about 3 pieces. So 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some. Should we add, I think I'm gonna add the tomatoes next. Tomatoes. Spencer loves tomatoes. We gotta make sure there's a lot of tomatoes in this. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some spinach. Like I said, you can pretty much use any ingredients that you like. It's not anything specific. These are just the ones we're using. So we're doing that. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead add some pickles. Actually, let's add some cheese first. So we're using shredded, but you could also use like what are those called? Like actual
slices.
Slices, yeah, actual slices of cheese. Sorry, I'm like speaking really softly. I just noticed. Maybe I should speak a little louder. Okay, so then we're gonna add some pickles over here. Okay. Actually, this is gonna be for Austin, not for you.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add some bacon on this side, and then we're just gonna go ahead and close it up. Oh dang it! I can't do it like that. I'll have to do it like this. I think I'd figure it out by now. Okay. And then I'm gonna, ooh, it's already coming out. It already hates me. Okay. Go ahead and cut it in half because it's easier to flip. But you don't have to, it's just easier for me. I'm gonna go ahead and put that over here.
Infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
And there we go. It takes about like 5 minutes, maybe? Not 5 minutes. I want to say maybe a little under 5, right? Like 3 minutes sometimes?
To cook it?
Yeah, because I have my stove on medium.
Yeah, it's like 2 or 3 minutes.
Yeah, and I just like to squish it down just to make sure that everything's kind of just like staying together because it is bulky. And then if you add more stuff to it, it becomes bulkier, so. I'll squish those down a little bit. And then we're just gonna flip it after about a minute or so. So yeah, that's how you make these paninis. And Spencer loves them, they're his favorite. So, we're gonna do that and then we'll show you guys the final product here in a second. So you want like this golden brown kind of color. I have left them on for too long and burnt them before, but you know, they're still pretty good. So this is usually the color you want to get them at.
If I want, let yourself be free and maybe you